37, but it played better yesterday at about 40.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright. Are these Memphis 12s?
Yeah.
In an Atrend box. Do you know what it's tuned to, the box?
It's supposed to be 37, but it played better yesterday at about 40.
Okay. I like that you got something so the box doesn't slide.
I built that.
That's a good idea.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Everything I have is Memphis.
Yep, Memphis is good.
Yeah. I put the seat down so you can see the amps also.
Sure, yes, let's check it out. She's about to give me a demo, so we're going to shot this. All right.
This is awesome.
What's the Memphis power on? How much power? Two Memphis 1500s. Okay. And what was your name?
Sue.
Sue. Thank you, Sue. Thank you for the demo. Awesome.
I'm so excited.
Yes, ma'am. No bass distortion, it's clear. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. What was your name?
Sue.
Sue. Thank you, Sue. Thank you for the demo. Awesome.
I'm so excited.
Yes, ma'am. All Memphis, too. It sounds good. Thank you.
I'm hoping to see more Memphis guys who like all Sundowner or
Yeah.
something else.
Memphis is nice to see. It's something different.
Yeah.
I like it. And you got a Singer capacitor.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.